Hi everyone!
There are two ways to use Taptilo, with or without the app. When you use it without the app, it's called self-study mode. When you use it with the app, it's called teaching mode.
In this episode, we will learn how to navigate the program menu and device settings in self-study mode. It's pretty simple once you understand how the buttons work. When you turn the device on, you will hear the audio instructions that tell you to press the circle button to start.
For self-study mode, press the circle button.
Then you will hear instructions on how to use the buttons to choose an activity. Use the arrow buttons to scroll through the list and press the circle button to select. To go back to the previous list, press the circle button for 2 seconds. For the English version, there are 5 activities: read, trace and write, dictation, write, and game. In all activities except for game, there are 4 topics: numbers, alphabet, short words, and long words. In game, you can choose from short words and long words. Now let's learn how to use the device settings. To enter settings, press and hold all 3 buttons together for 2 seconds. Then use the arrow buttons to scroll through the list and press the circle button to select an option.
Korean.
To go back to the previous list, press the circle button for 2 seconds.
Program.
In program, you can choose between English and music. In voice, you can choose between Diana, which is the default voice, and Anna, which is for younger students. When you select Anna, you can hear some sound effects when you are on certain words. For example, when you are on the word horse, you will hear a horse sound. In writing style, you can choose between common and slate and stylus. To learn more about writing styles, please check out episodes 3 and 4 in this series. When you select an option, Taptilo will restart to apply the new setting. Please wait until you hear the audio instructions, then you can start using it again.
For teaching mode, pair with Taptilo application. For self-study mode, press the circle button.
Now we'll look at how to change the Braille mode. When using self-study mode, the default setting is uncontracted Braille. Press and hold the left and right arrow button together until you hear the audio,
Change to EV mode.
and the Braille will show in contractions. If the Braille doesn't change, try pressing the right arrow button once to move to the next word. If you want to change back to uncontracted Braille, press and hold the left and right arrow button together until you hear the audio.
Change to normal mode.
If you change the Braille mode, it stays the same until you change it again, even if you move to another activity.
Finally, we'll go over some tips for using self-study mode. First, Taptilo will remember the most recent activity that you were on when you restart. For example, if you were on read, numbers, and then you turn it off,
See you again later.
the next time you turn it on, you will be automatically directed to the same location.
Self-study mode. Read. Number. 0.
Next tip, if you want to skip the audio guide while it's playing, just press the circle button. The last tip is about Taptilo's power saving feature. If you forget to turn the power off, Taptilo will make a chiming sound every 10 minutes or so to remind you to power off.